Welcome to Swaraj Infra Engineering Power Company. Today of the solar power project costing in fabrication work. If anybody in society, bank, mall, hospital, on the front side is shed. The shed is available place for using of this solar power. The solar power maximum there are the two types. One thing is on-grid solar project, second thing is off-grid project. Last video also I am discuss of the on-grid and off-grid. On-grid is maximum use of the in market because this system easy to installation, saving of the cost, saving of the units, also generation of the electricity units. Some important point of on-grid project: saving of the fabrication cost. On the front side of the shed, in bank, hospital, mall, extra, in milk dairy product, maximum using of the 500 square foot using of the 1 to 2 kilowatt project. On the both side of the using of the stud and then installation of the visit fabrication and install of the channel panel. Very important part. Second is a inverter and meter. The wiring cost also reduces and meter cost also reduces. But this is a meter is a replace import and export meter is a installed in on-grid project. This is a very nice and very good. If anybody is required, you subscribe the Swaraj Infra and YouTube channel. Also some of the important points. On-grid project is maximum demand in every power sector requirement in all plus all India. These are some of the state-wise of the power sector. This is MSEB in Maharashtra state, Karnataka state, Gujarat state. Every place using of the on-grid solar project. This on-grid solar project maximum rate of the 65,000 per kilowatt. If the increase the kilowatt, same of the double of the charges for the fabrication solar project. Some point of this are fabrication important of the lightning arresters, earthing. This is very necessary. If anybody project installation on-grid or not install the lighting arrestor and surge separator and earthing, so fast the all three parameters installations, because in high heavy rain season is a lightning come automatically search the lightning for solar panel or inverter, but this is not recharged on the earthing. That time the fault or failure of the inverter. So necessary of the lightning arrestor, surge separator and earthing. So it's important every on-grid solar project. If anybody are installation, lightning arrestor, earthing and surge separator, then inform to Swaraj Infra. Now most important part of the fabrications available of the base. Mostly of the east to west is sun. Solar panel installation is located in south facing and north facing. The two important points consider, and that is the available place and shadow also come that place. You can definitely install of the project. If anybody place available is 1000 square foot, maximum 5 to 6 kW, single phase or three phase with maintenance installation. This is available also phase future maintenance. In maximum reduce of the maintenance cost every week or month, clean of the panel and water using of the panel for the cleaning. Some of the cable also dressing. If the one time of the cable dressing, that is fixed, because one time cable dressing is not every maintenance for the cable dressing, but cleaning is a must every week, because panel life is implement or panel life is improved. Also generation efficiency also improved. 1 kilowatt is a panel, 5 unit maximum per day generation. These are some last back 2-3 video I am also explanation. But maximum 5 to 6, 7. If the sunrise is very high, then that is the generation also high. So important part is generation of angle south to north latitude. These are very good performance. Fabrication. If anybody society installation of this shade, so people think the shade time using of the solar panel, so automatically cost is reduced. So discuss of the society members in maximum cities. These are shade up in on terrace. The shade is not using of the plates, using of the solar panel. So automatically the plate cost is reduces and panel cost is plus point. You know, in any cities like Thane, Pune, Navi Mumbai, Pimpri Chinchwad, Kolhapur, Satara, in society maximum 4 floor, 7 floor. On the top floor, using of the building light on solar panel using for shade. This shade saving of the electricity, improve the building life. Also maintenance cost is saving in building. So this 3 point is a plus in on-grid solar power. Suppose if anybody install of this cell in the cement plate using cement steel, so also increase of the shade channel and on the plate solar installation. Very important point. How is possible? This is a true and possible. Some plant also installations. I see on the next video is some fabrication work, how to installation of the solar panels. If anybody of this solar panel on the top floor on shade, so inform me, call me. My number is available. Also my website is available. Thank you very much.